Hello. You just said it. Or maybe you just heard it. Every day, people say this word millions of times. You say it when you answer your phone. You say it when you see a friend. You say it when you walk into a shop. But have you ever stopped and thought, where did this word come from? Who said hello for the very first time? And why? Today, on HistoriEnglish, we are going to travel back in time. We will find the true story of the word hello. And I promise you, the story is more surprising than you think. So sit back, listen slowly, and let's learn English through history together. Before we start, if you are learning English and you love history, then this channel is made for you. Please subscribe to History English right now. Every week I bring you a new story from history, told in slow, easy English, so you can improve your English while learning something amazing about the world. Also, like this video and leave a comment below. Tell me, in your language, how do you say hello? I really want to know. Now, let's begin our story. Let's go back in time. Way back. Before phones. Before electricity. Before the modern world. In Old England, people did not say hello. That word did not exist yet. When two people met on the road, they said things like, hail, which means I wish you good health. Or they said, how do you do, which was a formal greeting. Sailors on the water had their own word. They shouted hollo or holla to get someone's attention. These were loud words used to call across the water. Imagine a sailor on a big ship looking at another ship far away and shouting, hollo, can you hear me? These old words, hollo, holla, hullo, are the great-grandparents of the word hello. They are old, loud, and full of energy, just like hello today. Now we move forward in time, to the year 1876. This is one of the most important years in the history of communication. Why? Because a man named Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone. Suddenly, for the first time in human history, a person in one city could speak to a person in another city. Like magic. But there was a problem. When you pick up a telephone, what do you say first? How do you start a conversation with someone you cannot see? Alexander Graham Bell had an idea. He thought people should say, ahoy, an old sailor's word meaning, hey, I am here, can you hear me? Bell really liked this word. He used it himself, but not everyone agreed with him. There was another great inventor at this time. His name was Thomas Edison. Edison was the man who invented the electric light bulb, the same light that is probably in your room right now. Edison had a different idea for the telephone greeting. He wrote a letter in 1877, just 1 year after the telephone was invented. In that letter, Edison suggested that people should say hello when they answered the phone. This is one of the earliest written records of the word hello in the English language. Edison believed hello was better than ahoy. It was short, it was clear, it was easy to say. And most importantly, it was easy to hear over the telephone, which was not always very clear in those early days. So we had a competition. Bell versus Edison. Ahoy versus hello. And hello won. By the 1880s, telephone operators, the people who helped connect telephone calls, were called hello girls. Their job was to say hello and connect people to the right number. The word spread fast, from telephone offices to homes, from America to England, from English to other languages around the world. By the year 1900, hello was everywhere. It was in newspapers, in books, in everyday conversation. People no longer needed a telephone to say it. They said it on the street, at the market, to friends, to strangers. The telephone did not invent the word hello. Remember, it already existed as hollow and holler before. So, the next time you pick up your phone and say hello, remember this story. Remember the old sailors who shouted hollow on the water. Remember Thomas Edison sitting at his desk in 1877, writing the word hello for the very first time. Remember the hello girls, the telephone operators who helped connect the world. This is the magic of the English language. Every word has a story. Every word has a history. And that is exactly why we are here at HistoriEnglish, to learn English through those stories. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is also learning English. And don't forget, leave your comment below. Tell me, how do you say hello in your language? I'll see you in the next video. Until then, hello and goodbye.